Stupid, such a stupid fellow, that is what I thought. Making people fall in love, no other work or what. Got to know him better when you entered the plot. Thanks to his idea, you're my honey bunny. I'm your pumpkin pia, you're my honey bunny. Bole drink Gia, you're my honey bunny, toco.